Calgary 128 and climb to flight level 230 now.
230, Macau 1 please. Speedbird 25, we need to descend lower.
Speedbird 25, just stand by shortly, traffic on your right. Descend now to the 4,500 feet, KNH 1006 and speed. You can maintain high speed.
Thank you, 4,500, 1006, maintaining high speed, speedbird 25.
Good departures, good day, Cathay 157 with you, passing 1,400 on the Ocean 2 Bravo.
Cathay 156, good afternoon, identify climb to 90,000 feet.
1000 Cathay 157.
Speedbird 25, you'll be landing runway 25 left, continue to Tango Delta.
Negative, we want 25 right, we want to be close to the terminal, speedbird 25 if possible.
Understood, speedbird 25, runway 25 right for you.
25.
Speedbird 25, contact approach now 119er, decimal 1, no delay for you.